Greetings and salutations, guys and dolls. This is my overview on my up-and-coming class, Notions and Potions with Bast. So this is a class based on the basics of what I affectionately refer to as kitchen witchin'. And what is kitchen witchin'? It's, to me, a means of cooking and creating for your family with the highest intentions and vibrations. We will be discussing the different kinds of herbal medicines that are often created in the kitchen, their uses, and the different herbs that you should keep on hand, particularly for seasonal changes and such. You will also not only learn about medicines like salves, syrups, tinctures, and even hydrosols for your everyday use for you and your family. We will also delve into creating a couple of magical curio oils for you to empower and charge to make them work for whatever intention that you want to work with. I will be giving a recipe each week, and at the end of the course, we will have established a foundation for you to create as much as you want, be it magical or mundane. So, I'll see you in class. I can't wait to get started. Thank you.